third graders. Here's our joke for today. Why did the dinosaur cross the road? Because the chicken wasn't born yet. Today for math, I want you to get out this worksheet. It is 106 and it has checks on it. That's the one we're going to use today. And we're going to do some adding on the back side. So please, when you do add some figures together, make sure you write neatly because we are going to be adding quite a few. So make sure you start at the top and work down and be very neat. So we're going to learn how to add money amounts today and how to write checks for those money amounts. And we're going to pretend that we are business managers for the Board of Education. And one of the jobs of a business manager is to write checks, to pay bills. Jody Myers, she works in the office, not the English teacher, but there's another Jody Myers, and she works for Mr. Norvell, and she does a lot of this for our Board of Education. We're going to pretend that one of our bills came from our math company, our Saxon Math Company, and that bill is for $3,792.40. So on the back of this paper, please write this amount. And then we're going to pretend that we have another bill from Reading Street, which is our reading textbook company. And that is for $1,480.65. So please write that amount down. Now we're going to pay these two bills, but we're only going to use one check. So let's estimate first how much we think we're going to have to pay. So $3,792.40 to the nearest thousand would be what? Correct. $4,000. So we can write 4,000 off to the side. And then $1,480.65 to the nearest thousand would be 1,000. So we're going to write 1,000. And we're going to add these two together. So 4,000 plus 1,000 equals how much? Right, 5,000. Well, now we are going to add these two amounts together and see what we come up with. So right away, I'm going to make my dollar sign there so I don't forget it. So let's add 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 8, 17, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12, 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5. Oh, you know what, boys and girls? I forgot to do the cents, so let's do that. 0 plus 5 and 4 plus 6. Whoops, that's going to change. 2 plus 0 plus 1 is going to be 3. Sorry about that, third graders. My mistake. So we have $5,273.05. Is that close to our estimate? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. Now, let's go to our check on the other side. So turn it over. And we are going to write today's date. So we're going to write 4-3-20. And we are going to make it for $5,273.05. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to choose one of the textbook companies. So we'll just go ahead and write it out to Saxon. So we're going to write, I'm going to use a finer tip so it can fit on there. In words, we're going to write 5,000. That's not showing up too good. I'll have to use a different pen. 200 70 hyphen 3 and 5 cents. So I had to go way over. Like that. And then we have to write our first and our last name. We have to sign it. So go ahead and sign it. Just like that. All right, now we're going to pretend that we have to write some checks to the electric company. So here's our first one. Here is the electric bill for the month of January, $3,109.90. So write that on the back of your paper. And then the second bill for February is $3,004.65. So write that one down. And the last one for March is $2,738.16. So write that down. Now, to figure this out, we've got to add it all together. But before I do that, let's estimate. So off to the side, we're going to estimate $3,100.90 to the nearest thousand would be 3,000. $3,004.65 to the nearest thousand would be 3,000. $2,738.16 to the nearest thousand would be 3,000. I'm going to add my dollar signs. And if I add this all together, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what? 9,000. Now let's add and find the exact amount. And this time Mrs. Johnson isn't going to forget the cents. So we'll start here. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 9 plus 6, 15. 16, 17. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 8, 21 plus 1, 22, 0 plus 0, plus 3, plus 2, 5, 1 plus 0, plus 7, 8. 3 plus 3, plus 2, 8. So $8,852 $1,071 should be our grand total. So let's go on the first front side, and we are going to write this out. So go ahead and once again write today's date. I think I'm going to go back to my pink pen, and I'm going to write 4-3-20. And then I'm going to write it for $8,852.71. And I'm going to write it up to the electric, company. So it'll look like that, minus the mistake here. And now we have to write it out in words. So we're going to do 8,000, comma, 850 hyphen 2 and 71 over 100, just like that. And then we need to once again sign our first and last name. Turn it back over to the back side. And now we're going to pretend that we're going to make a bill, write a check to the A&C Computer Company. These are for some really big amounts. So the first amount, the first bill, is right here. And it's for $9,162.73. So write that on your back of your paper. And the second bill is for $12,688.11. Write that down. And the third one is for $26,580.70. So let's estimate first. $9,162.73 to the nearest thousand is 9,000. $12,688.11 to the nearest thousand is 13,000. And 26,580.70 to the nearest thousand would be 27,000. Let's add all that up together. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So approximately 49,000. Wow, that's a huge bill that we have to write a check for. So let's add and find the exact amount. Let's start with the pennies. Let's go way over here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 7, 15. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 0, plus 1, 11. 6 plus 8, 14 plus 8, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. Okay, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5. 12. 12 plus 2. 14. 9 plus 2. 11. 11 plus 6. 17 plus 1. 18. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 1. 4. $48,431.54. Is that pretty close to our estimate? I'd say so. So let's turn it back over to the front side, and we're going to write our third check, and we're going to go ahead once again. Whoops, Miss Johnson dropped her pen. This is a crazy lesson. And we're going to go ahead and write the date. And then we're really going to have to squeeze this in here. $48,431.54. We'll write it just like that. And we're going to write this out to the A&C Computer Company. So it'll look like this. And now we have to write this out. 40-8,000, comma, 430-6 and 54 cents. Woo! Right, just like that. And then once again, we'll sign our first and last name. Now I want to find out how much money I spent today. So we are going to add up the totals that we wrote here and find out how much we spent. So I wrote this out, and make sure that you line it up correctly. So go ahead and write these down on the back of your paper. And then we're going to add this together. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 15. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 plus 1, 22. 4 plus 2, 6. So our total that we spent today was $62,557.30. That's a lot of money. Well, that ends our lesson today. So today you have learned how to add money amounts together and how to write checks. Until next time, see you later.